Alright guys, so here's my next toolbox tour. This box I got from Home Depot, Husky toolbox. I believe it's the 26-inch top and bottom. And then I got that top box a while back ago. So I got this one just to kind of catch all my overflow stuff, household stuff. So digging right into it. So basically up here I keep my brushes. Got some plumbing stuff for the house. Got paint brushes, scrapers, electrical stuff here, soldering stuff. Got up my cutoff wheels, sawzall blades, jigsaw blades, flashlight, empty trays. This one's all my zip ties. You got some snap ring pliers, O-ring pick set, OBD2 scanner, some electrical pliers stuff, crimpers, wire strippers, battery tester, electrical connectors, butt connectors, fuses, rivet guns, soldering guns, multimeters. I don't do a lot of electrical, so nothing fancy or anything. It's my plier drawer. Mostly started off with these Husky pliers here. And usually I used to buy those Christmas specials that you'd see. And then really love the red handles. I grew up using red handle pliers that my old man used to have. But these aren't anything special or anything. Most of these are, like the bigger ones are Doyle. I did pick up this recently, these Max Power water pump pliers. I think the only name brand one I have is a set of Mac Tools spark plug boot pullers. But a fair majority of these red handle ones are Titan. They do make some good pliers. And then on a budget, you can't really beat it. Pretty good quality. They got the hose ones, the long reach needle nose. The hose ones are right there. And then you got the offset needle nose, duckbill, fence pliers. These are Tool Shop mini pliers. These were just cool looking, so I just had to get them. This is part of that set too. I think these are the Crescent precision ones. Then also got the Crescent mini. Okay. Fluid extractors, extra tails that we don't need in the house anymore, so I just brought them out here to use. Got this case just to store all the leftover light bulbs. I converted a lot to LED on the cars, so I didn't want to throw them away. They're still good, just in case I need backups. So just a bunch of miscellaneous here. Got gloves, tape, tape guns, sanding pads, sanding blocks, knee pads. So just stuff for projects end up going in here. Same thing down here, paint gun, paint stuff, staple guns. Got my underhood light over there. Over here, 5-gallon gas tank, oil drain containers, oil drain pans, cordless vac, ramps, distribution hitch, got a cordless saw. Let's see if we get a light over here. Sawzall, jigsaw, just electrical cords. Just use old file cabinets to store those in. I had this leftover trunk mat from my old Yukon. I used to use it to lay in the cars now. It's pretty sturdy. It's made by WeatherTech. All right, so we're gonna go and dig into this tool chest here. It's the mobile workbench, I'm sorry, from Husky. It's 46 inches. Got this one on a Black Friday special as well too. I think I paid like less than $200 for it, so it wasn't too bad. So right now the top drawer is my SAE stuff, majority of it, and anything that wouldn't fit into my tool cart. So back here I got the 1/2-inch SAE impacts. I think the majority of these are Pittsburgh. Yep. That's PT. Got a DeWalt one in here. The 3/8 impacts. Got the Matco on those. Same thing for the deeps on the 3/8. And then these are the semi deeps by Gray Pneumatic. And the 1/4-inch impacts. Got a Proto one there, and I believe the rest are Matco. E-Torx, Matco. I believe these are another set of Matco E-Torx as well too. Stubbies by Cenex. On the crank bolt. Used to have an old Prelude for my son. Axle nut sockets. And then these are the Anvil Amazon swivel sets. That's a 3/8. And then the 1/2-inch. Impact Torx. Get them on this pretty cool ABN rail. It's only $7 for that rail. Got these mixed power wheel lug nuts, wheel sockets. They're okay. The only thing about these is if you have them on any high torque applications, they don't have enough weight on. They're really lightweight. So I mean, they're like thin wall. So I think this one's stuck on there. But once you get the plastic thing off, they're pretty thin, so they don't put enough weight on the impact. So sometimes the wheel lug nuts, if they're torqued on, they're pretty good. They won't come off, so you just have to get a regular socket. These are the 3/4 inch impact sockets. The only reason I even have these is because Amazon had them for 30 bucks or so. And I mean, you won't find, well, this is Genius brand as well too, for that cheap. I checked back and they're no longer 30 bucks. I bought these a couple of years ago, so it was a steal. And it's there if I ever need them. Husky screwdriver set. These are those supposed to be, I think, 1,000-volt protection. Ratcheting screwdriver set. Got some mirrors, paint pen, thermometer, safety glasses, stud finder, scraper in the back, gear wrench. And the spring punch, I think it's Husky as well too. Impact driver. I used to use this one, but I think I showed the one I got from Capri. That's way much nicer. And when you're swinging a sledge, you want your hand protected as well too. So I don't think I opened this on the other video. So I mean, this is a huge difference. And for the price, I mean, it's well worth the money. I want to say it's like 30 bucks or something. It comes with this nice case, all the bits. So I mean, I've had some Honda rotor screws that were stuck in there. This thing will not do squat. Saws, plumbing tools, pipe wrenches, adjustable wrenches. These are the gear wrench ones. They're okay. I would have to say, I don't know. I still prefer a little bit thinner profile on the handle part, but they're okay. I may get something else later on down the road. But they're fine. I did pick up this little wrench from Amazon. It is an Amazon brand. I just had to see what it was like. It's supposed to be black on the handle, but it's kind of grayish. It's all right. Took this screwdriver, kind of filed it down a little bit. It's for the springs on the Nissans to push out the airbag. Hammer drawer. Been pretty satisfied with all the Husky ones. This one, as you see, gets a lot of use, but it's you're gonna free up some stuff with this one. Dead blow's pretty good too. Got these Walmart ones, not bad for $2 or $3. As you can see, genuine Henry. Just keep a mask and my spare. Okay. Got the SE hex handle set, gear wrench file set, PT pick set, no name brand, just trim tool set, Sunex mini pick set, Harbor Freight, clip tools, clip pliers, gear wrench, another trim tool, Sunex metric one, and then the Star Hex, my Sunex, fender cover, just masks, gloves, more overflow stuff, Pittsburgh punch set that I now use the Baco set for. might as well go do this box too. So this is chemicals. I did pick up these Tough Plus ones from Dollar Tree. They work pretty well. I mean, they're not obviously as good as the table towels, but I mean, when you're comparing $1 to, I think, what, 12 bucks, they do the job. Overflow of big wrenches. 75-degree offset wrenches by Duratec. Pretty good. S wrenches from Duratec. Overflow of different brands: Pittsburgh, Duralast, GM Performance Parts. Sonex, Husky. So whatever size I normally need, I just go and pick it up from whatever store I can find. If I look online and they have it in stock, then I'll just grab it, go in there and grab it. All right. Keep my shop vac down here. Got a hub puller set. This is the pneumatic brake leader. Got a slide hammer, ball and U-joint press, and then I got a back here on top is the what's that thing called? A tie rod puller. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching.